Hello, my name is Stephen Foster, author of Awakening the Actor Within. I am offering a 4-week Actor's Hero Journey workshop on Zoom. You are the leading character in your life movie. Since the dawn of time, there's never been anyone like you. Surprisingly, that is your greatest asset. You are 100% unique. Discover your acting hero with my exciting course. Through the examination of movie characters and themes, along with fun writing and acting exercises, we will build for you a personal acting hero. You will leave this workshop with self-confidence and power to face the challenges of your acting career. So, grab your crown, your cape, your sword and your shield, or your ball gown, and join me for the actor's hero journey. And we should feel powerful. And I think anytime you go into a room, you need to be powerful. And I don't mean an a-hole. Okay? I don't mean an arrogant jerk. What I mean by powerful is you want to go in there with your best foot forward. You want to go in there with your power, your center, knowing who you are as a performer. And you need to, as soon as you hit that door, they need to know who you are. So you have to sort of prepave that with doing your own work around that and knowing who you are. Like for me, my thing when I walk in a room is funny, short guy. Duh. So who am I replacing?
We just laid off 23 people. You'll be replacing them.
All 23 of them? This place is a ghost town.
Sort of this office-style comedy without the breaking of the fourth wall.
This was a quirky, entertaining short.
The main character in this, he's just such a comedic persona. His voice, his stature, all of it is just naturally funny.
Just so cute and just comical on his own.
Raj, to me, was the funniest. I loved Raj. I thought he was a really great character.
The themes of like oligarchy and corporate greed are really clear throughout.
Lots of observations about powerful corporations versus the regular worker in customer service.
What a week this has been. I got an IMDb credit. I am so excited. I'm going to be playing Truman Capote in a movie. Imagine that, me playing Truman Capote. Let's see, I got a new haircut. And I went to Pilates. My God, I thought Pilates was another pasta dish, not an exercise in recruitment to the army.